They look like jewels because time makes them rare.
Luxury travels on a cold chain. Every second warm is a second lost.
Perfect caviar resists, then melts. Once for royalty, now for anyone who can keep it cold. In this world, a gram is a decision.
But the real story starts years before the tin.
Sturgeon are ancient and slow.
Diet shapes the eggs long before anyone sees them.
Maturity is detected, not guessed.
7 to 20 years, then one chance to do it right. Transport is stress management. Facility is built around temperature. Clean rooms first, always.
Everything here is designed to slow biology.
The process is delicate, but the room is brutal. Now the harvest becomes irreversible.
Purified water, because impurities show up in flavor.
Humane handling and speed protect the roe.
The eggs must stay intact before separation. Cold slows enzymes that can ruin texture.
Separation is pressure control, never force.
Each pass trades speed for purity. Rinse removes blood and fats that can turn bitter. Drainage is gentler than pressing.
This is where bad batches get caught early.
Anonymity here is not style. It is sanitation.
Color is not dye. It is biology, species, and maturity. Uniform resistance means the batch will hold on the tongue. Clean ocean notes, never fishy, never sharp.
Salt is calculated, not sprinkled.
Malisol lightly salted to amplify, not dominate. Stirring breaks skins, folding keeps them whole.
Minutes decide whether it tastes clean or harsh.
Testing lets salt penetrate evenly.
A level surface signals the batch is behaving. Every batch is tested, sensory and safety.
Salt level moisture and microbial risk checked before packing.
Packaging is part of preservation. The room is cold, so the pearls don't soften.
Overfill crushes. Underfill disappoints. Settling removes voids without pressure.
A clean seal keeps oxygen out. Sealed tight without crushing what's inside.
Consistency is the real luxury. They verify texture again after packing pressure.
Packaging is engineered for vibration and temperature. Air gaps are heat leaks.
Storage sits just below freezing, where quality holds.
Temperature control is the final ingredient.
From here, it can't warm up anywhere.
Movement can rupture pearls. They ship like glass.
High-end kitchens treat it like a living ingredient.
All that time so it can disappear in seconds.
It's not just row, it's time, cold, and control. If the cold chain holds and the flavor holds.
Each pearl is intact, or it's not caviar worth sealing. That shine is the proof-handled, cold-salted light, made with patience.
This video is created through a human-AI collaboration. The concept, storyboard, and final visuals are developed using original ideas, with high-quality scenes generated using VO3 and refined through professional editing. All content is created from scratch as digital artwork and follows YouTube's 2026 monetization policies. We do not use reused or inauthentic content.